Om Shanti. The theme of Global Bhakti for this quarter is Living Lighthouses. One of the titles among so many other titles that Baba gives to us is Lighthouse. How to become a lighthouse? Baba explains. In many Sakar Murlis, Baba has said, let there be mukti in one eye and Jivan Mukti in another eye. Then you are a lighthouse. You show the path to Mukti and Jivan Mukti. What does it mean? It's not the question of the physical eyes, naturally. It's the question of the eye of the intellect, the eye of knowledge, the eye of wisdom, the eye of awareness. When I am aware of both the worlds, the world of peace, Mukti Dham, and the world of peace and happiness, Jivan Mukti Dham. Both the worlds are the worlds of light. World of Mukti is the home of light, where we souls live in our original stage as points of light, and with our Father, who is also the point of light. And the world of Jivan Mukti too is actually the world of light, though it is a physical world, but it is not gross as the physical world of today. The matter there is quite subtle, and there is crown of light around everyone's head. So when I am aware of both these worlds, then I am in that stage of light. I am rather double light, and I become a source of light for many souls. Recently, in one of the Avyakt Murlis, Baba said that your seed stage acts like a lighthouse. Our seed stage is light, and when I am in my seed stage, the stage of fullness, with full potential, I am able to, reflect this potential in my actions and interactions, and by just my presence. Baba said, when you water the seed, then the whole nourishment which reaches every leaf of the tree is through this seed. The same way, when you are in your seed stage, you are able to make every leaf, every soul of this tree of humanity to get the water of light. And the thirdly, Baba said, is that you need also to be in a stage of world benefactor. At this time, our role is role of world benefactor. So let every soul be for the world benefit. So if we keep on practicing these three things, these three methods, then on one hand, we become like lighthouse, and on the other hand, our concentration also goes on increasing. The theme of Global Bhakti for this month is increasing concentration. And actually, there are many methods for that, but I will talk of three. One of them is exercise of the mind. In almost every Avyakt Murli, Baba at the end of the Murli gives this exercise to us. One of the very popular exercises is of 5 forms. Within a second, travel to this stage, to that, third, fourth, and so on. Then Baba sometimes says, tell your mind to go to Param Dham, and then in a second come to subtle region. Then in the physical world, in the confluence age. Sometimes Baba gives us another practice. Just go in, order your mind to stabilize in your seed stage, and so on. So when I go on giving training to my mind, go on doing these mental exercises, my concentration goes on increasing. The second method is the aim. As is the aim has to be very clear. Like, for example, when you come to the Murli class, have the aim. Why I am going to listen to the Murli? What is the aim? What do I want to receive today from Baba? So, and listen to the Murli with that aim. Your concentration will increase. Have the aim for the whole day. When you get up at Amrit Vela, keep the aim. Today, I want to be in this stage the whole day. And go on drawing your attention to it, because concentration is the focused attention. Again and again, pay attention to your aim. As I, for example, thought, I am a loving soul. So be in that loving stage and do everything with love, every action with love, interact with love, and so on. Thirdly, have the aim when you converse with others. So, what kind of feeling you will have? Maybe you will have a soul conscious vision. When you will talk to each other, you will look at the soul, or you will look at their good qualities, or you will have the aim of learning something from them. So, have the aim, when you have the aim, when the aim is clear, there is the attention on that, your concentration increases. The third thing is that our intellect and our mind goes to our different relationships. So when I detach from all other physical relationships and have all relationships with one, my love for one goes on increasing. And where there is love, there is attention, natural attention. And besides love for Baba in all relationships, I need to be also intoxicated. In that intoxication that I am God's child. So move with that intoxication the whole day. When you come to study, God is teaching me. God, the wisest of the wise, is teaching me. God has come to take me back home. So God has become my guide and my guru. I can take guidance from him at every step. So when you have that intoxication, your love for Baba increases even more, and your concentration increases. And that helps you for learning anything, for being in yoga, for improving dharana, and for doing any action, any even worldly action, physical action, what we want to do during our life, during day-to-day activities. All the best. Om Shanti.